Ready to join the Beauty Insiders? Your journey to exclusive beauty perks starts here with our dedicated independent beauty consultant, Kenisha Miller. With 30 years of experience helping women discover their perfect beauty routine, trust her expertise. What are Beauty Insiders? An exclusive community of beauty lovers who get first access to amazing gift with purchase offers, insider tips, and special bonuses from independent beauty consultant Kenisha Miller. Your 3-step success path. 1. Create your MyMK account. Set up your personal beauty profile in minutes. 2. Purchase starter kit. Get curated products chosen by Kenisha Miller. 3. Share your experience, post reviews, and watch for exclusive DM offers. And 4. Lifetime membership. This offer unlocks your lifetime membership to the ultimate luxury beauty experience. Step 1. Create your MyMK account. Quick and easy setup. Takes minutes to get started. Personalized experience. Tell us your beauty preferences and goals. Your wish list. Keep track of all your favorites in one place. Step 2. Snag your starter kit. Purchase the most recent starter kit gift with purchase offer, handpicked by independent beauty consultant Kenisha Miller. She knows what's trending. Pro tip, this offer unlocks your lifetime membership to the ultimate luxury beauty experience. Step 3. Share your beauty story. Create your review post. Share honest thoughts about your new products on social media or your favorite platform. Tag and connect. Use relevant hashtags and connect with other beauty insiders. Hashtag #GotMyMK. Hashtag LuxBeautyEXP. Hashtag Beauty Insiders. Watch your DMs. Exclusive promotions. Be first to know about flash sales and limited offers. Special bonuses. Earn product rewards for engagement and loyalty. VIP access. Get insider info on new product launches, beauty drops, and live stream shopping events. Ready to glow up? Join the ultimate luxury beauty experience, Beauty Insiders, getting exclusive offers, expert tips, and amazing products. Your best beauty life starts today. Tag a friend who needs this.